In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-signature using Canva. If you're looking for a quick and professional way to create an electronic signature, Canva is a fantastic tool to leverage. Not only is it user-friendly, but it also comes with a variety of templates that can help you craft a signature that perfectly suits your needs. So, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Canva's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. The sign-up process is straightforward, and once you're logged in, the creativity can begin. In the search bar, type in signature. This will bring up a range of design templates specifically catered to creating signatures, making it super easy to find a style that matches your taste. Browse through the options and click on a template that catches your eye. It's important to remember that your signature reflects your personal or professional brand. Take a moment to select a design that resonates with your style and requirements, ensuring it speaks to who you are or the message you want to portray. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to customize it. Click on the Customize this template button. Here, Canva offers you the flexibility to modify the existing design elements to suit your preferences. You can experiment with different fonts, adjust colors, and even add or remove elements. This step is particularly exciting because it allows you to personalize your signature and make it uniquely yours. Now focus your attention on the text area of the template. You'll want to edit the text to display your name. To accomplish this, click on the text box and replace the placeholder text with your own name. Perhaps take this opportunity to play around with various fonts and sizes until you're satisfied with how your name looks. Canva offers a plethora of font options, so be sure to explore them and pick one that truly represents you. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to finalize your design. Take a moment to review the entire template to ensure everything is just right, from font sizes to the overall layout. It's important to check these details because, once downloaded, this will be your digital signature for professional use. Now, for the final step, download your signature. Click on the Download button at the top right corner of the screen. Canva offers several file formats, such as PNG and JPG, which are ideal for signatures. Choose the format that best fits your needs, and voila! You've just created your very own e-signature using Canva, all in under 5 minutes. This tool makes it easy to generate a sleek, professional-looking signature without needing extra software. And there you have it, an efficient way to create a stunning e-signature that can be used across documents, emails, and more, bringing a professional edge to all your digital correspondence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy designing.